Today we are making this gold geode from resin and we'll show you step by step how to get it perfect. Hi and welcome back, and we're going to get right into this DIY for you. For this geode I'm using a sturdy artboard and I'm just going to roughly draw out the geode, then cut it out. Artboard is okay to use for smaller geodes, but it's not going to be sturdy enough for larger pieces, so just keep that in mind. Next, go over the geode with white gesso, and this is going to help with the texture, and then you can also draw in some geode lines using a wooden craft stick. Next, we'll make the edges to make them more realistic, and this is going to also prevent the resin from flowing off the piece, and we're using 3D Crete from Counterculture DIY. Minutes, and while the 3D Crete is still soft, then go over the edges in gold paint. Now it's time to attach the gemstones, minerals, and accents. So just push them into the 3D Crete here and there. Now it's time for the resin, and we're going to be using a 1-to-1 resin, and in the background I'm going to be wearing this for protection. Mix a pearl white color into your resin. The next layer is going to be 3 drops of gold paint mixed in with gold glitter. And you can use your heat gun to push those colors around and pop any bubbles. We would really love to have you as a subscriber. Please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of new videos. Next, add some glitter accents here and there. And this is going to be fully cured in 72 hours. And here's our finished piece. Thanks for watching. Have a sparkly day.